California Auto Services Bond. What is California Auto Services Bond? A California Auto Services Bond is a surety bond required for businesses that provide auto-related services, such as repair shops, body shops, dismantlers, or vehicle service dealers, depending on DMV or Bureau of Automotive Repair regulations. It acts as a financial guarantee that the business will operate honestly and follow state laws. The bond protects customers and the state of California from financial loss caused by fraud, negligence, or unlawful practices. Why is California Auto Services Bond required? The bond is required to protect consumers from unethical or illegal actions by auto service providers. California regulators require it to ensure businesses comply with licensing laws, consumer protection rules, and industry standards. Without the bond, an auto service business may be denied a license or face suspension or penalties. How does California Auto Services Bond works? The bond involves three parties: the principal auto service business, the obligee state of California or regulatory agency, and the surety bond company. If the business violates regulations or causes financial harm, an affected party can file a claim against the bond. If the claim is valid, the surety pays the damages, and the business must reimburse the surety in full. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.